Friends help each other. You know that? Just as that. Hi, neighbor. Today I am playing with Katarina Kitty Cat. Meow, meow. Do you want to have a tea party? Asks Katarina. Let me get a chair for you, says Katarina. That chair is heavy. I can help. He can help just as high. No, thank you, says Katarina. I can do it all by myself. Oh no! Katarina bumps the table with the chair. Everything falls on the floor. Yes, I know this book when I read for teacher. What is this slippery? What happened? Asks Henrietta Pussycat. I made a mess, cries Katarina. Our tea party is ruined. Yes, that's ruined. You need to do. Maybe Daniel can help, says Henrietta. Yes, I can help. You know? C-A-N. Can. Friends help each other. Yes, they do. I help my friend clean up. It is tea time, says Katarina. I want to pour the tea by myself. Oh no! Katarina spills the tea. I can help clean up the tea. Friends help each other. Yes, they do. I am happy